Savings Foundation. We're running for breast cancer.
Mental health awareness. We're just trying to raise awareness and get young people out and about.
Why?
Yeah.
Just something to do.
The outfits. Keeping it sexy.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
With me today, I've got Shani Williams, Australian women's rugby captain.
I've been for 7 years of raising money for disabled kids and stuff.
Thank you very much for taking part in the fun run. 26th year of this magnificent event.
I think I got done this weekend.
2 hours, 13 kilometres. It's something heartfelt because it helps remind us and have that memory of Nick, as well as helping other people in the same situation. Children's Hospital at Westmead.
There's people in Cambodia who benefit from this through education programs. Thank them from the bottom of their hearts. Amazing entry, 185 people.
Without a ribbon, and we support people with rare cancer who are currently fighting their journey alone.